Yo, what's up guys, we have the free BRIGGS STRATTON mower here. I've taken it apart and we're going to kill it. But first I'm going to show it running. We need to find a way to kill it, boys. Boys and girls. Right, we need sugar, really. Ooh. It's not Knightsbridge, but it will be chapstick approved. A tea bag. Look, put tea leaves inside the engine. First we need to tape the throttle open so it continuously runs. But yeah, this mower's gonna die, so yeah. So I think you're ready for action. Right, where is a good spot for it? We have some tea in there. How to brew your tea, powered by SRAM. It just budges it off. What a beast! I put tea into the intake and it nudges it off. It just goes, meh, that's nothing. And it just keeps running. Crispy tea bags. Berries. Berries. We're going to put berries down the intake now. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Yes! 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 It still goes! Woohoo! Come on! It's backfiring, boys! And yeah, it doesn't like berries. Let's see if it'll start again. Goodbye, spider. Start it again, ladies and gentlemen. I think we killed it. It's almost at the end of its life. Time for some better materials, to be honest. it's dead, it's dead, it's dead. Spitting stuff out of the car! So yeah, this thing still runs, as you can see. I'll show you right now. So yeah, we're going to destroy this completely at Tom's house. We're going to put like, probably, I don't know, like maybe, what could we put inside an engine that would kill it completely? Hello? Is that a parcel? That was a postman. Yeah, thanks for watching this part 1 of destroying a mower. See you later.